How to ensure regulatory compliance with clients doing digital onboarding, hiring, and authentication. Optimize the process with us. IDDILIGENCE Factory is an integrated and automated, traceable, real-time, global digital factory solution. Its end-to-end production connects all data, identities, and documents to a pool of activities. Each operation is completed successfully, and users receive answers and supporting evidence within seconds. IDDILIGENCE Factory's orchestration, control, and monitoring tools also ensure the traceability of operations and facilitate regulatory compliance. This includes an individual review of operations for identity validation. IDDILIGENCE Factory offers specific tools such as control panels, process monitoring and management, evidence repository, qualified signatures and timestamps, web document management, integration tools, optional blockchain backup module. Our technology works on-premise and in the cloud. The IDDILIGENCE Factory technology is supported by over 25 years of experience. It's the only integrated solution with digital factory tools. IDDILIA, good to go.